Hello. When I was still in school, something used to puzzle my mind so much and so often. You see, on a single desk, we could sit there 3 to 4 people. Rarely 2 people on a desk. But you would find we would team up. But later, I realized that on a single desk, every individual has got his personal targets. Yes, you find one is suffering a lot, is walking long distances to come to school, and after reaching school, you sit when you are 3 or 4 on one desk. And if you suggest to yourself that let you read, it's like you should first influence these other colleagues of yours so that you can read all together, which is absolutely very difficult. So you'd find somebody is already awarded a plot of land. Yes, someone, they are constructing for him a house. Yes, somebody is already promised marriage. But you are all aiming like as if you are going to sleep in one room at age 50. And this was completely wrong. But you know what the resolution was? I resolved to look for the like-minded people. Yes, people who value education so much. If you are in class, you realize the class is made up of a big number of students. But look, you must take your time and identify those people who can help you to achieve your goal. Look for the people who are concentrating on academic. Yes, who are performing better. Befriend them and stay around them. Always consult them because they know what is taking place and they know what they are doing. But the moment you concentrate on people whom you have not known so well, especially their goals, my dear, they will lead you to nowhere. And these were the most words that were coming so often from our teachers. They could advise us, yes, to befriend like-minded people. Likewise, in the class of becoming successful in our lives, we must look for like-minded people. If you are in that class and you are befriending somebody who is already promised marriage and is going to drop out of school, that friend of yours is going to lead you nowhere. Definitely, you are also going to drop out of school, like he or she is doing. But if you concentrate your effort and you befriend that person who is assured of completing university education, believe me, you will as well complete that university. So in our struggle to achieve success in our day-to-day life, we are warned, we are cautioned to look for like-minded people. We team up with them so that we can achieve our goals. Yes. So today I want you to identify yourself. If really you want to become a successful person in whichever nature Look for those people in those fields that you believe are looking for success, and then work with them. Like the saying goes, you cannot send your ducks to eagle school. Thank you for watching.